Black Rain. A battalion of black rain performs its coup d'état of a sunny day. The island of grass I take refuge on morphs into a raft. I float. Familiar voices, although now delicate, sing to me a serenade of memorized songs from my childhood. Doors to secret chambers of comfort are opened by magical sepia butterflies. I smile knowing the songs live in my ocean of recollection, where I will not drown, but swim towards the sun. Supergirl appears out of nowhere to lasso that battalion of rain. A tear falls, but I know tomorrow the sun will again rain over Black Rain.